Guten Tag from Norway, amigos. It's an early start today. It's 6:26 in the morning. We're just packing our stuff up, getting all prepared, and we're about to head to the choo-choo station here. So,
choo-choo station.
Let's strap in for a strapping day. So we found our train. We don't know when it boards, but we're here nice and early. First class today. Very excited. You guys excited? You excited for first class?
So excited.
You excited for first class? Yeah, I am too. Comfort. Coaches 1, 2, 3. Are we sitting in the cafe? I didn't leave the mic on overnight.
It was
That guy left the mic on overnight. Hi. We're just pulling to Oslo. Our almost 8-hour train ride. Is it more than 8? It was more, 8.5. Yes, it was. 6.5. I don't know, whatever. And a half hours. Train ride is now coming to a close. We're gonna go find a luggage spot maybe and compare prices to that in the train, and then we will proceed with our day. I gotta do some shopping again. Everybody loves to see me shop. No, I'm serious. It was literally 3 times Corey's like, you have to take the lens cap off. And then there was one at the aquarium. I was like, you're gonna take the lens cap off? And then you just did.
We made it to Oslo.
Mike's on?
Yeah. Not on all the way though. Nah. Made it to Oslo. Just got off the train. Now we're looking for a souvenir shop to buy some souvenirs.
Is that getting it?
We're getting Norwegian. Yeah, it's in the thing right now. We're getting Norwegian Subway. It's super weird. Everything's in centimeters, which makes total sense, but it's 30 centimeters, not a foot long. Back picking up our luggage. We're gonna try and get to the hotel now. We're just talking. Hopefully they have a pool. I don't know. I don't think they will, but hopefully they do. We are 4 people. We are in Oslo Central Station. The only way we can get out of this station for less than $100 collectively as a group is to walk. And the only way to get to the airport costs like $150. So yeah, it's not that much. But the taxis are like $200.
Not bad. Not bad.
I was hoping I'd be able to get up, but I would have had to lift her feet.
This is our hotel room for the evening. It cost less than a taxi from downtown Oslo to the airport for one night. So we're happy about that. It's not overly cheap. It's just the taxis are super expensive. It seems really cool though. We're gonna go and work out because we haven't done that in a month, and there's a gym here, so that's gonna happen. So yeah, Nate wants to take the thing up to do some workout jam mix things, maybe. I don't know. So we're gonna take the camera, I guess.
I don't know if I can go up, but if I go up, I'll hit the ceiling.
Sit down.
Yeah, you gotta sit down.
That's not how I work up. I work up standing so everybody can see how massive I am. I look more of a mountain when I'm standing up than when I'm sitting down. Come on! Get it! You're almost there. Come on, push, push, and time. All right, that was 10 seconds. Let's try again in a minute. And here, boys and girls, we have an example of why warm-up is really important when I'm going down. Yeah, but I didn't pull my groin. I mean, if anything, I just got bigger.
Wow.
So I look bigger. I feel like I look bigger. I'm shining. I'm glowing. Look at my complexion. Warm up, kids. Warm up. So, Uncle Ben decided we should do something a little less strenuous, so we're gonna go play some pong for Uncle Ben there.
I make the best bread.
Oh, that's weird.
It's actually like. You might beat me.
That's cheating.
Oh, that doesn't fluff very well. Woo!
Alright, welcome back to the final episode of Fjord. With heavy hearts, we have to announce the season finale, you know?
Seriously.
Inevitable. So yeah, here we are. We're about 22 miles outside of the city of Oslo, but we're 4.9 kilometers away from the Oslo airport. So we're staying at the Hotel Comfort Runway. Did I say that right?
You did, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't sound like you said it right.
But that
But
is
you
the actual
did.
name. So yeah, let's just
Comfort runway.
get right into it.
Shall we?
Alright, first up we have
Features. This is a hotel and not an Airbnb, so our features are a different set, I guess.
The criteria has been limited due to the nature of our residence.
We have some things that we didn't have before, and we also are missing some things that we used to have.
So we have a weight room here,
Yeah, we went and did a workout.
as you already saw. Also a sauna, a ping pong table. We have these sick beanbag chairs.
Yeah, never had those before.
Got a TV on each side of the wall
Got
there.
a mini turf field here.
Mini turf field by my bed in case I wake up and want to play some footy in the morning. But yeah, overall features have been pretty good. We don't have like a fridge or a stove or a cooking area, but they do provide us with breakfast. So that kind of balances, I think.
I hope that's a good breakfast.
It should be. So you know what, for me, features, it's going to get 4 Fjord out of a possible 5.
Okay. Yeah, you know what? I agree. 4 out of 5 Fjord. Fjord.
Alright. Joy.
Joy.
If you had asked me at 5:30 today how much joy I was experiencing trying to get to this place,
It was hard to get here.
I would have told you an inappropriate word. Joy. I'm happy I'm here now, but I also have to consider the lead up. And the lead up, I was very dissatisfied. Norway is kind of difficult.
It's a strange place.
There's a lot of things you don't think about when you're budgeting to travel, like ferry
Ferries.
costs, toll costs, although those are kind of built into the car, and how much just trains and simple things that you think wouldn't be that much are. To actually get a taxi to this place from the city center all the way up to this by the airport, it would have cost us more than we're paying to stay the night. It would have been 1,300 Norwegian kroner to get a taxi from
Which is like
this-
over $200
over
Canadian
$200 from the city center to here.
for a 35-minute taxi ride.
And we're only paying 11 or 989 Norwegian kroner to stay here, which is just ludicrous. So we ended up taking as you saw, we ended up taking the express train, which was not cheap either, and then we had to take another bus, which was not cheap either. So you know
Nothing's
what?
cheap.
Nothing's really cheap here. I'm only gonna give it a joy score of 2 out of 5.
Oh,
I really
harsh.
did not enjoy getting here. It's nice now. If I didn't enjoy here now, it would have been a 0.
Yeah, okay.
But I'm gonna go 2.
I think the joy from this place is enough to get it a 3. I'm giving it a 3 out of 5.
Generous.
Oh, what's the next letter?
Optimal.
Optimal.
That's our value. Well,
Right.
comparing it to taxis, this is a great deal. I mean, it's $200 a night. We are going to have to pay in the morning to take a taxi or take a shuttle back to the airport or potentially a bus. I would have to pay.
It's $200 a night, but then you have to pay, what, like $15 each to get to and from the airport?
Yeah.
So that's like, that's another $30 each. That's, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is, yeah, it is what it is, but it's just annoying. Getting around here sucks.
Yeah. I'm thinking value is going to be 3.5 fjords over the cost of 5. That seems appropriate for what we have.
I was going to say 3. I'm going to give it 3 fjords out of 5.
Okay. Next up we have radius. So what's around us?
The airport.
Really, that's the only thing. That's why we booked is the airport. But that's not close.
It's annoying because it's incredibly close.
So here's what they did. So when we booked the place, they said they were only 1.5 kilometers away from the airport. We thought, oh great.
Which is definitely true.
It's true, but if you scroll to the bottom of their email, they put a little asterisk. And they said, direction is not representative of roads or methods of transportation used to get to the hotel. So they pretty much did it as the drone flies, we're going to call it. So it's pretty much just a straight line from the airport to the thing, like they're connected on a map. There's no roads that take you there, but if you draw a line from there to the airport, it's only 1.5 kilometers. In the end, it ends up being 5 kilometers, which we can't walk, so that's around an hour and a half of walking. I'm not walking an hour and a half.
Especially with their bags.
So that was not pleasant. So radius, you know what? Radius is getting a 1.5. Because we booked this place for the airport.
See, that's what boggles my mind. Like, why did we come to an airport hotel if we're gonna have to pay?
Yeah, we could. It would have been cheaper to stay in Oslo. Hindsight's 2020. It would have been cheaper to stay in Oslo for the night and then take the train one way out, and that would have taken us right to the airport, so we wouldn't have had to pay 140 Norwegian crown each to get to the hotel.
So if you're ever in Oslo, stay downtown. There's more options. I'm sure we could find a place that was just as cheap and just as nice.
We talked about.
And then you won't have to spend as much money in shuttles, which is stupid.
It doesn't make sense to stay farther away and it'd be cheaper, but it is.
I'll give it a 2. Not good. Oh yeah.
Drone ability.
The last category is drone ability.
You know what? I don't think that's a fair category.
It's really not.
I think today we're just going to do fjord. Because I don't think it's fair to punish a place because they have an airport. We know it had an airport, that's why we booked it.
Yeah.
And we clearly are reasonable human beings and we're not going to fly our drone by the airport. So we're that category, my rating is not available because that's just not fair.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Yeah.
So welcome to the first and only and last episode of Fjord.
Fjord. Fjord, a new word.
So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the series. If you're coming to Oslo, stay in the city center, take the train to the airport.
It's 10:30. The day is, pretty much done. We are heading to bed. Today was kind of a long day. We just took a 8-hour train and then walked around Oslo for a bit and then came here. So
Train was really not that great.
you didn't like the train experience?
Sad, but yeah, it was, the ones in Scotland were nicer.
Really?
Yes, personally.
I thought the train was very nice. I guess I got to go on a train in Scotland. Thank you for watching today. Nathan,
Thanks for being you.
do you want to yell out your line, Nate?
Hey, everybody, I'd like to remind you to get out to vote.
That's not what I meant,
No,
but
how about this? Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you there.
bye-bye.
Took you really long.